Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at all the tool deals, all the deals that they have from this time. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Here we got some Kobalt. We got $99, your choice. Pretty much any of these power tools or power tool kits. You got the 21 piece, $24.99, and then all the kits are $99 as it's advertised there, including this one, or I believe that one's they're all $99 by the way. So all those kits are $99. Maybe they're on clearance or on sale. You got the blower, you got the batteries there. You got some toolboxes or toolbox accessories, and then the LED lights, flashlights, $12.97 for that. Looks like a nice flashlight there. $9.96 for the smaller one. You got some more toolbox accessories there, power tool. So you can put the power tools. You got a light electric extension strip there. Some screwdrivers, Craftsman. Then some more power tool accessory, and then this nice box here. It's all black with red stripes, so really nice. You got some screwdrivers here. They're Craftsman, $34.98. According to this, they're on clearance or on sale. Got some more screwdrivers over here. Got $6.98 for that pair. Got some Kobalt for $19.98. Some pliers or you got some more screwdrivers there, and then that box is $5.98. I guess it's on clearance. The bigger box there, as you guys see, it's a 43-inch, I believe. Then you have some more Kobalts here, $14.96 for that multi-piece. This is a nice Kobalt drill here. It's a brushless. That's one thing I like about Kobalt. Batteries are very inexpensive, and all the tools are brushless. So really great tools there. Got the canvas finisher pouch, $9.98. Guess it's on clearance. I guess nobody wants it because it's not a black color. $19.98 for that tote there. $129 for the cooler. $9.98 for those gloves. Yeah, they have a lot of these gloves here. The Speed Knit. Got some Versa stacks. Not really sales, but that's pretty much what they have left on there. You got that 100 piece for $99. Was $159. So that's like the one with the drawers. And that's a nice kit there for $29.98. It's like a household kit. Yeah, and then I found this one. This one's really good on price. It's a 40 piece, $26.98. Definitely recommend it for you guys. If you guys need like a small kit to throw in the truck. And actually $26.54, that's the price. And 23 piece Impact, $69.98. Yeah, Impact's a little bit more, more expensive. So, but yeah. And then that kit's a 218 piece. It's $129. They're advertising it. They did lower the price. Regular price is $199, as you guys see there. Then you got the buy one get one free from Kobalt. Pretty much buy any bare tool, and you get the free 2.0 amp hour battery for free. So that's definitely a great deal if you're already in the Kobalt or looking to get into a Kobalt. The only downside, if you're gonna get into it, you have to buy the charger separately. But if not, then just buy a kit and pretty much buy something like this and you're good to go. You get a free battery and a tool. So there you go. You buy one of those tools and you get that battery for free. Then the kit's on clearance for $29.98. That's the battery that you get for $29.98. Yeah, that's the clearance kit that they have. They only have one of those left. So yeah, those including the fan. I guess you can buy the fan too. And that's That's the battery, and that's the 40 piece. $79.98. They got the Versa stack on sale. So 3 piece for just under pretty much $80. So that's a great deal if you're looking to get into that. Yeah, I was looking at this. This seems like very familiar to the one that they sell at Harbor Freight. The only thing that this one's a battery it's battery powered. The other ones, it does have a big battery in there, and then you can plug it in and recharge it. But I was just looking at it. It's so weird to find the same thing, but in a different version. Those were on clearance for $19.98. It's a 5-piece universal extension kit. You got the oscillating tool from Craftsman. And then these are on sale too, $89. They're brushless. So then again, you got some great power tools here. If you can find them at your store, there weren't any here, by the way. I was just looking. That's the bare tool there at the bottom. But if you can find them at your store, $149 for the XTRs. That's a reciprocating saw. And then you got some more impact drivers there. And then $14.98 for that kit there, 65 piece. $24.98. That's a 6 amp hour. $59.99. And then yeah, they got that on sale, so you get a free 4 amp hour battery with the purchase of any tool. Same thing with this one. You can buy the $199 or the $299 and get a free tool. So this is definitely a great deal for you to get into this platform. They got some great tools, especially if you're a DIY, a prosumer level. That's a great branding to get into. You got some DeWalt's, some kits here, 45 piece, $19.98. You got the clear case, so you can see what's inside. Same thing with these Craftsman with the clear case, $24.98. You got some blades there, 24 teeth, 7 1/4. And then you got the $19.98. That's the 10-inch, 60 teeth. 13 piece, $14.98. Spider, $12.98. And $198 for the bottom kit there, the bigger one, the 14 piece. So $119 for that. And yeah, they got the batteries on sale. Like I said, those kits, they buy one get one free, and then you can buy 2 extra batteries for $99. That's a great deal there. 2 4s for just under $100. And then you got 2 tools for $79, which is a nice little deal here. You can get those free tools plus the batteries. $279 for the hammer drill. That's one of the better ones that they have. That's made in the USA. I don't know if that's the 996. I believe it should be, or the model just below. Or maybe that one's the model just below. But they do come with big batteries. The one on the bottom comes with 2. This one comes with 1. Still, you're getting the charger in the bag. They got some more tools here on sale. $99 for the impact driver. Not $119 for that impact wrench there, or impact driver. $179 for that. I believe it's a hammer drill with 2 tools. Got the vacuum, $129. Yeah, all these tools are you get your choice. $179 if you buy any of these kits. Or you can buy the ones on the right, $249 or $349. You got some deals there you can get from DeWalt's. Then $34.98. $13.98 for that 14 piece. $189 for the 2-tool combo kit. The Bosch. Definitely recommend the 2-tool combo kit, or 1 tool for $159. You got the 2-tool for $199. You got some 2 brushless Metabo tool combo kit there. I don't believe that they had any left at this store, but always look around. Make sure you can, if you're looking into this brand or wanting to get into this brand, this is a good brand to get into. It's a prosumer to a professional level brand here. You got the Craftsman oscillating tool or multi-tool, $89. It's on sale. I believe it's the kit that's should come with the battery. Got the Rockwell for $79. It's a corded. And then you got this compressor for $129 with the 1-year limited warranty. It says right there, six gallon compressor there. Then you got the same compressor but with the kit. Got some vacuums there. 12 gallon 109. And you got the clearance here. A lot of clearance. It seems like they're changing or redoing their stores basically. They do have a lot of clearance in this store. Well, actually, in all the stores that I've been to, they have a lot of clearance. Mostly household items, if you guys see here. They got light fixtures. They got door locks. So this is a good area if you're remodeling your house or if you're renting and remodeling. You need all these items so you can, just pretty much redo a house or an apartment. Anyways, I just want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.